하버드 법대 졸업을 앞둔 엘리트 인재 미치 맥디어. 그를 영입하기 위해 미국 전역의 대형 로펌들이 줄을 서고
We've just offered you $68,000 a year.
Now look, we'll offer you
For a
74,000.
first-year associate is only 2,000 hours.
그러던 중 미치는 테네시주 멤피스에 있는 로펌 회사 밴디니 램버트 로크사의 경영진과 미팅을 갖게 되는데
Do you have an offer in mind? Do I open it here?
A lawyer worth that offer shouldn't have to open the envelope.
하버드 내에서도 탑5에 들 정도로 우수한 성적을 보유한 미치. 그를 스카우트하기 위해 로이스는 자신이 어떻게 연봉을 산정했는지 설명합니다.
Bribed a clerk in the Harvard Law Placement Office for the exact amount of the highest offer, and then added 20%.
The letter you got from Bendini, Lambert, and Locke was the only one sent out. We want you.
영화 야망의 함정 시작합니다.
Wushu pork, Szechuan beef, Mandarin duck from Long Boys.
What's going on?
You remember the letter I got from that firm in Memphis?
What was the offer?
It's in there.
It's sealed.
Yeah, but I'm a good guesser.
미치의 연봉을 보고 크게 놀란 에비.
Plus a 5% increase the second year.
Why?
Whose side are you on anyway?
Yours.
They want to fly us down to Memphis for a little visit.
Been in one limo, you've been in them all.
Meanwhile, he's going to try not to be embarrassed, while I remind you that he's about to graduate from Harvard with honors.
No one's divorced in the firm?
No one's divorced in the firm.
What about women?
They had one once.
A white old male all married, huh? There he goes.
높은 연봉에 주택, 벤츠까지 제공하며 가족 중심 문화를 내세우는 회사에 입사한 미치. 하지만 에비는 아내들의 사회 활동은 존중하는 듯 하면서도 조속한 출산을 기대하는 회사 분위기에 묘한 의구심이 들기 시작하는데
These are nice people, Abby. $96,000 a year is here. It's like 150 in New York. Your folks are only a few hours away too.
You mean if we fight, I don't have far to drive?
She made 2 phone calls from the hotel.
She seemed a little reluctant. I'd hate to lose this young man.
What about Kozenski and Hodges? It's not good. We're going to have to do something.
얼마 뒤 미치와 함께 멤피스로 향한 에비.
Not bad, huh?
Where's yours?
꿈 같은 조건으로 첫 발을 내디딘 미치는 다음날 이른 아침 첫 출근에 나서지만 이미 그보다 먼저 출근해 있는 사람들이 있었고 차가운 시선을 뒤로 한 채 회사 내부를 둘러보던 미치는 자신의 선택이 옳았다고 느끼죠.
That says you've been here since 6:30. I thought I'd jumpstart the bar exam work. Good. No associates ever failed the bar exam, you know.
First day's a 4-hour multiple choice on ethics.
Wally Hudson, contracts. No associate of the firm has ever failed the bar exam.
No kidding.
미치가 정신없던 그때 그를 찾아온 에이버리.
Let's go to lunch. Come on up to my office while I drop this off. I want you to review the last one I did for a client named Sonny Caps. He paid us $400,000 in fees, so I don't want to make him unhappy.
에이버리는 미치에게 위법만 아니면 된다며 어떤 일을 맡기고 함께 점심 식사를 하러 가죠.
I was a delivery boy for a pizza parlor, and one day the owner got a notice from the IRS. He went bankrupt, lost his store. I lost my job. It scared me. It was the first time I thought of being a lawyer.
Being out of work.
What the government can do to anybody.
얼마 뒤 라마의 집으로 찾아간 미치 부부.
Kay?
Marty Kaczynski and Joe Hodges were killed,
What happened, Kay?
and there was some kind of explosion on the boat.
I'm very sorry, Lamar. By the way, Oliver wanted me to tell you, you shouldn't be burdened with a student loan. Excuse me? If you bring the papers by tomorrow, the firm will repay it for you.
며칠 뒤 카진스키의 장례식에서 에비를 주시하는 에이버리.
Dear, I'm Avery Tolar.
You're the reason I see so little of my husband these days.
He must be the most ambitious man in the world, leaving you every day just to go off to work.
Did you know them well?
Yes.
You must be overwhelmed with grief.
People grieve in different ways, Miss McDear.
그렇게 시간이 흐르고 미치는 시험 준비와 업무를 병행하느라 야근이 일상이 되는데
Abby!
Just redraft this section on repatriation of offshore funds. I need it tomorrow.
But the bar exam!
You and I are flying to the Caymans tomorrow morning to take on Mr. Sonny Caps personally.
늦게까지 야근을 하고 식당에서 허기를 달래며 일을 이어가던 미치에게 낯선 이들이 말을 겁니다.
You with Bendini, Lambert, and Locke?
Yeah, how did you...
It looks like they're working you to death.
I've just been with him now 8 weeks.
That firm looks like a health hazard.
That's 4 dead lawyers out of 41 in less than 10 years. Kaczynski and Hodges.
Bob Lamb and Alice Krauss. None of them over the age of, 45?
Who are you guys?
We'll probably see each other again.
낯선 이들의 말에 미치는 회사로 돌아와 사망한 사람들에 대해 알아보기 시작하고, 그런데 누군가가 그를 지켜보는데 이후 집으로 돌아온 미치는 잦은 야근에 대해 사과하지만 에비는 이런 삶은 원하지 않는다며 그동안 쌓인 불만을 터뜨립니다.
It's easy for somebody rich to talk about being poor.
This is about a mother in a trailer park and a brother you pretend you don't have. Have a nice trip.
Just follow me and don't overbreathe.
What about Sonny Caps?
If we don't get this dive in before the bank, we can't do it.
I don't see how you can dive so soon after the accident.
Hey, there was a plane crash last week. We didn't take a boat to the Caymans, did we?
해외 법인을 통해 유한 합쳐회사를 설립하기 위해 케이먼 제도에 간 에이버리와 미치. 하지만 일이 원활하게 진행되지 않았는데
You're not the firm's only concern here.
If you're talking about our friends in Chicago, you make money when I pay you fees.
Sonny, let's don't get carried away here, all right?
Mr. Toller handed you a schedule that virtually guarantees you 0 tax with 0 risk. You defer your tax in full even though you have a bankable LCs. It's still the best interest-free loan you'll ever get.
You know that for a fact?
Avery, who's in Chicago?
We'll get to all that. Clean up and come on over. You earned a good dinner and a night out.
미치는 에이버리가 말을 아끼는 것에 의문을 품고 사망한 동료들이 보트를 빌렸던 곳으로 향하는데 그곳에서 또 다른 2명의 남성이 그들과 함께 배에 올랐다는 사실을 알게 되죠.
Are they American?
They were in swimsuits. They paid cash. One was, I don't know, squat heavy. Other guy had long blonde hair, almost white.
Grab a red stripe out of the fridge. I'm a little slow.
Take your time. Ain't a munch on?
Yeah, there's a thing full of stuff next to the fridge. Use that key from the ring I gave you.
미치는 왼쪽 수납장이 아닌 오른쪽 다용도실 문을 열어보는데 그곳에는 사망한 동료들과 시카고 관련 자료들이 쌓여 있었고
Caps is a tough guy, but he's also a blowhard. Loves to give the impression that he's connected. We teach the rich how to play it so they can stay rich. It's a game. One you just played very, very well. Everything's good down here. You deserve a taste of all of it.
There's things we can do them. Primitive things.
Did you tell my friend I went back to the condo?
You don't know what you're missing.
Thanks anyway.
동료들의 죽음이 어딘가 석연치 않다는 걸 직감한 미치는 심란한 마음으로 해변을 거닐다가 위험에 처한 한 여성을 보게 되는데
Are you all right? It's okay. Can I look at this? You should ice this. You should also report that guy. That was your boyfriend.
That was for money. You think that's...
Got nothing to do with me.
I work in a travel agency. I wanted to feel like all those people. I guess I wanted to feel rich.
How much would it take to feel rich?
How much would it take to feel safe? You did that. You made me feel safe. Will you stay with me for a while?
Shit, I forgot your phone last night.
What'd you tell her?
That you were probably walking on the beach.
이후 미국에 도착하자마자 미치는 교도소에 수감 중인 형을 찾아가고
How you doing, Ray?
A man from Gentleman's Quarterly.
It's a long time, huh?
Sonny Caps is thrilled. McDear was dazzling.
Any problem with that, Bill?
So far, the kid's been real predictable.
That suit's a dead giveaway. What'd you get a job on Wall Street?
I went with a firm across the river in Memphis.
미치는 회사 동료들의 죽음과 수상한 정황들에 대해 조심스럽게 이야기를 꺼내는데
I want you to see a friend of mine. His name's Eddie Lomax. He's a private investigator in Little Rock.
Anything I can do for you?
Get me out of here.
Where to?
It's amazing how much you miss this guy.
Ever plug one of these in only you forgot to put the water in? The lights go out. Mr. Lomax will see you now.
형이 소개해준 탐정 에디를 찾아간 미치는 자신의 회사와 동료들의 죽음에 대해 조사해달라고 부탁합니다.
This is not my area of expertise. I'll tell you one thing, if those guys at the steak joint were feds, you better watch out for them. Okay, I'll see what I can find out.
What a nice surprise.
Avery! I was just looking for Mitch. Nina says he hasn't been in all afternoon. Didn't he come back with you?
집에 돌아온 미치에게 에비는 에이버리를 만났다고 하고
Avery told me you were at MSU, the law library.
Well, Avery didn't exactly know where I was.
Probably thought you were with another woman.
I went to see Ray.
Ray,
You're right, I've been stupid.
I would have gone with you on Saturday.
I wasn't thinking.
지쳐 보이는 미치를 바라보며 에비는 다시 예전의 삶으로 돌아가자고 하죠.
Sit down for pizza and watch Star Search. Who knows where it will lead?
Your wife.
She's in Cleveland.
She was.
Don't you knock?
Don't you answer your phone? Where's your secretary?
Out.
She left a cigarette burning.
Why don't you come back in 1 hour and make an appointment?
Doing what?
What's it to you?
Now, this is going to turn out badly for you. Why are you asking questions about dead lawyers? Who hired you to do that?
Okay. Just let me think. His name was...
Great. You want to ask him a few questions now?
결국 탐정 에디는 숨을 거두고 다음날 워싱턴으로 출장을 간 미치에게 누군가가 에디의 사망 소식을 전하는데
Who killed Eddie Lomax?
Go over and sit next to the man on the bench.
I appreciate your coming, Mr. McDeer. I'm with the Department of Justice. We've been investigating Bendini, Lambert, and Locke for 4 years. We have reason to believe that your house is bugged. Your phones are tapped. Your office is wired.
Are you saying my life?
I'm saying that your life as you know it is over. 2 tried to leave, they were killed. 2 were about to try. You know what happened. Your law firm is the sole legal representative of the Moraldo crime family in Chicago, known as the Mafia.
덴트는 그들이 마약으로 번 돈을 모두 해외에 투자해 합법적으로 자금을 세탁하고 있다고 이야기합니다.
That's why you talk to Thomas A. Banks and the Caymans.
I mean, every partner in the firm.
Every partner knows. We have to have somebody on the inside.
Why can't I just leave?
That's what Kaczynski and Hodges were trying to do. You have to think this over. Terrence has full authority to negotiate on our behalf.
You can call me in Memphis anytime, day or night.
미치는 자신의 인생을 망치면서까지 첩자 노릇은 할 수 없다며 단호하게 말하지만
How long before they find out Lomax's cellmate was a guy named Ray McDeer? They can get to anyone, anywhere. And when they do, what do you think they'll do to him? Your brother comes up for parole soon, doesn't he?
웨이는 레이의 가석방이 통과되도록 힘을 써주겠다며 미치를 회유하지만 사실상 그의 말을 따르지 않으면 가석방은 없다는 협박과 다름없었죠.
Everybody right now. Just had a little chat with the FBI.
They didn't try to coerce you?
No. Did they ask you to contact them again?
What for?
Exactly what did they want?
The secret files.
Who had those secret files last? Did you have them, Royce? I gave them to you.
They also suggested that Hodges and Kaczynski were murdered.
Now we ought to build a case and sue. This is pure harassment.
That was everything that was said.
As far as I can remember.
We're always doing battle with the government. We beat them every time. Now, I don't want you to worry about this. It's gotten serious enough. We'll have to get into it later.
이후 집에 도착한 미치는 에비에게 조용히 하라는 신호를 보낸 뒤 누군가 자신들을 감시하고 있다는 사실을 털어놓는데
Don't say anything, don't say anything. Can we just get in our own car and drive back to Boston?
If we run, they'd find us.
and it gets Ray killed.
How do you look at Avery? What do you say to him?
I talk about work. The FBI says they'll help Ray and protect us.
Protect what?
I don't have a choice.
Mitch, you'll be revealing clients' secrets. You'll be disbarred. They can't ask you to do that.
They are not asking. We have to behave exactly as we have been.
다음날도 평소와 같이 출근한 미치는 소니 캡스와의 계약서를 몰래 복사하려 하고
What the hell are you doing? Jesus. They just started this. You have to have the billing code for each client.
계약서 복사가 막히자 미치는 에이버리에게 케이먼 제도에 언제 다시 갈 수 있냐고 묻지만 그는 이번엔 자신만 가겠다고 하죠. 이후 미치는 자신의 방으로 돌아가던 중 태미를 마주하게 됐는데
Did you order a fried egg sandwich from the Front Street Deli?
Yes, I did. Come in.
It's $2.65. The receipt's in the bag.
미치는 영수증에 적힌 곳으로 향하고
How did you see them when they didn't see you?
I was under the desk. I loved him.
I'm sorry, Tammy.
They wanted to know who hired him and why he was asking questions about me.
You actually saw them?
One guy was stocky, looked like a wrestler. The other guy was like an albino, long, thin hair, almost white. So you're in as much trouble as I am.
There's a building around the corner called the Cotton Exchange. Maybe you can't help, Tammy.
이후 회사로 돌아가던 미치는 보안 담당인 빌을 마주칩니다.
I wonder if we could have a little talk. Hop in.
이들은 미치를 한적한 곳으로 데려간 뒤 경고의 의미로 서류철 하나를 내미는데
Here's your Abby. One day walking to the mailbox. What does she find instead?
빌이 건넨 것은 미치의 외도 장면을 몰래 촬영한 사진이었고
It's just the kind of stuff the FBI could use for coercion, Mitch. I'll do the best I can to protect you. And I know you'll do your best to protect the firm.
Oliver wants to see you right now in the library. Where you been? He's been waiting.
You think you're pretty smart, don't you? You didn't get the highest score in the bar exam. You got the second highest score.
Congratulations.
They called you, huh?
Guilty, Your Honor. It's your moment of glory. You know, my wife missed mine, and she never forgave herself.
That's very considerate, Avery.
Well, I thought so.
그날 저녁 미치는 깊은 고민 끝에 자신의 외도 사실을 아내에게 고백하죠.
Who was she?
I don't even know her name.
Why did you tell me?
I couldn't stand your not knowing.
Give me the keys. I've made a decision. My mother hasn't been well. She's having some tests. I want to be there.
Call Devasher. She's leaving him.
한편 회사 간부들 사이에서는 미치의 형이 살인죄로 복역 중이라는 사실을 두고 그에 대한 신뢰를 제고해야 하는 것 아니냐는 은밀한 논의가 오가고 있었는데
You didn't mention him at the interview in Boston.
Wouldn't you lie if you had a felon in the family to get a job like this?
To keep him on a pretty tight leash.
Why?
I get paid to be suspicious when I got nothing to be suspicious about.
그날 밤 미치는 애비와 형을 지키기 위해 FBI에게 정보를 제공하기로 결심합니다.
Well, the space is just great. I'll take it. They're going to deliver a copier tomorrow.
I'll make sure the office is open.
계약서 복사가 막히자 태미를 통해 맞은편 건물의 사무실을 임대한 뒤 의뢰인을 만나는 것처럼 위장해 그곳으로 향하는 미치. 미치는 서류가 든 자신의 가방을 둔 채로 태미의 가방을 들고 의뢰인을 만나러 나서고 태미는 임대한 사무실에서 서류를 복사하기 시작합니다.
I know I'm not Bendini Lambert's most valuable client. You never spent 33 hours last month on my account. This overbilling's gotten so common.
It's not policy, Mr. Mulholland.
It's been going on over there for years. People forget something else, too. When somebody over there put a stamp on this and mailed it, each instance punishable by
$10,000 fine. 3 to 5 years, each instance.
회사가 의뢰인들로부터 부당한 이득을 취하고 있다는 사실을 확인한 미치는 위기를 극복할 다른 방법을 생각해내는데
But I gotta get that stuff in the Caymans.
They won't let you go.
Is there some kind of wireless recording device?
Yes. Whenever Eddie said my associate, yours truly.
I want you to get hold of a van, Tammy.
미치는 자신을 감시하는 킬러들의 눈을 피해 태미의 도움을 받아 웨인을 만나러 갑니다.
$1 million in a numbered account in Switzerland. And my brother out. Now.
Sure as hell turned greedy overnight.
He's in for manslaughter.
There's a brawl in a bar.
Your brother is a convicted felon, Mitch.
You heard me, Terrence. My brother out now.
I'm a federal agent. You know what that means, you low-life mother? You got no rights. Your life is mine.
You are Agent Wayne Terrence.
Hey, you're goddamn right I am. Yeah.
Is this Wayne Terrence?
Yeah, this is Wayne Terrence.
So is this.
I'm a federal agent. You know what that means, you low-life mother? You got no rights. Your life is mine.
I think you ought to reconsider.
It's the only way he'll give us a file. Get the brother out with a federal subpoena. And the minute we get the files, yank it back. Then stall on the money.
Mr. Thomas A. Banks, please. This is Mitch McDeer.
이후 미치는 부당 청구를 한 간부들의 서류를 확인하고
You're taller than I thought.
That's nice to hear.
There's been a change of plan.
Who are you, sweetheart?
Yeah, they got to keep him out long enough to copy everything in that closet. Tammy's coming down tomorrow to set things up.
Don't worry, my friends are taking him to Trinity Caves.
I can whip us up some eggs.
Last day, I don't want to be late for school. Is Tammy left to meet A. Banks?
Not till this evening.
I hope it goes well.
It has to.
You did the cheating, and I'm the one who feels guilty.
Don't. Take care of yourself.
에비는 학교 수업을 마치고 부모님의 집으로 향할 계획이었는데 갑자기 에이버리가 찾아옵니다.
I'm going to the Caymans tomorrow, and I would miss saying goodbye.
Have a nice trip.
Want to come? It sounds outrageous, but we could grab some sun, take a dip. I could give you marital advice and hit on you.
What makes you think I need marital advice?
Okay, you give me marital advice.
I don't scuba dive.
Perfect. I can't scuba dive either.
I'd heard that you don't miss a chance to.
Not this time. I can't dive and fly in the same 24 hours. How about it?
My mother isn't well. They're doing some tests.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
How could you possibly? Have a good flight.
Greenwood Secretarial Services.
Tammy, this is Abby McDeer. Abby's not going diving.
We're dead. How am I going to tell Mitch? How am I going to let him know?
Tammy, don't tell Mitch anything.
Prescription for Abigail McDeer.
One. Aren't you gonna cuff him?
I'll take care of it.
Yeah?
My first sunset in 6 years.
You made it.
Yeah. Anything from Maybanks?
Last I heard, everything was set.
Okay, you spoke to him. Now, where are the files?
You send half now.
Here's some pocket money. You're free, McDeer.
한편 케이먼 제도에 머물고 있던 에이버리 앞에 에비가 모습을 드러내고
I'm deeply surprised.
So am I.
그 시각 어느 주유소에 들르는 레이를 요원들이 은밀히 뒤쫓고 있었고 그곳에서는 태미의 전 남편이 그를 기다리고 있었죠.
What the hell is going on? We lost your brother.
You want the files, you wire the money. Gotta go, Wayne.
Give me a map of Louisiana!
한편 에비는 에이버리를 유혹하며 그를 붙잡아 두려고 하는데
What are you doing here?
I thought I was invited.
I want you to tell me the truth.
Because when Mitch was here with you, he slept with someone else. Is that what you want to hear?
그때 에이버리가 갑자기 주저앉고 에비는 처방받은 수면제를 술에 타서 에이버리를 잠들게 한 후 그가 잠든 사이 서류 박스를 챙겨서 태미에게 향합니다.
Get the key, grab the stuff, and get over here.
Came in about 3 hours ago. Keep calling him. I want that girl.
Can you confirm that it's $750,000? You got all the information I need?
There's no numbers listed.
There's no numbers.
Wait a minute. Info held by client and my Mac, signed AT.
Okay, I gotta get to Avery's computer in the morning before I leave. Is there a password?
REF then a colon, Cordelia. I gotta get these out to the boat.
The boat?
Later on, there's some stuff I gotta tell you about what Mitch is doing. Him keys back in his pants and get out of there before he wakes up.
Hello? You have to repeat that.
He stole your keys and God knows what else.
That's not possible.
Now, who the hell is she?
This is somebody I met last night.
Guys will be landing in about 10 minutes, and she better be there.
Mitch sent you. They heard you on the phone.
He doesn't know I'm here, but I did do it for him.
That's even better than getting even with him. You gotta get out of here. On the beach, she was the setup. The girl was the setup.
What's going to happen? What are they going to do to you?
They did it a long time ago.
Avery in the Caymans. He needs some work done in the camera papers before 10. I'll just get it off his computer.
미치가 에이버리의 컴퓨터를 살펴보는 사이 떨어져 있던 팩스를 발견하는 빌.
McDear in yet? Check every goddamn floor and find him.
It's Warden Deinhardt from Wrightsville Prison.
Wayne, we got a problem here.
No!
Thank you, Mitch.
You're welcome.
Mitch, can you step in here, please?
Mr. McDear, Judge Tarrance for you.
Hello?
They know. Get out. Get out of there. Get over here now.
I understand.
미치는 이들에게서 도망치기 시작하고
We don't get McDear before he gives what he got to the feds.
Where are you?
Never mind. What happened?
Mitch, it was a prison guard. Come on in and we'll place you in protective custody.
Somehow you don't make me feel protected.
The Maraltos are arriving today. From Chicago.
What?
Northwest arrives 2:16 p.m. straight to the Peabody. You can't go home, you can't go back there, so get in here now.
I gotta get lost for a few hours.
미치는 사람들이 많은 곳으로 향하는데 그곳에서 관람을 하던 라마의 아내 케이가 그를 알아보고
Mitch! The end of the great Steve.
He's got $750,000 of our money. Use the Memphis police if you have to, but get him.
Find that truck. And issue APBs on Ray and Mitchell McDear.
Oh, Lamar? I just saw Mitch at Mud Island Museum. I waved to him, but he didn't see me.
그 시각 미국으로 돌아온 애비와 반갑게 인사를 나눈 레이는 에이뱅크스의 비행기를 타고 케이먼 제도로 향합니다.
Okay, let's get these below with the rest of them.
Your bank's diving lounge?
How are my friends?
Your brother's on the plane and Tommy's loading the ship now.
It worked out.
Your lawyer friend is dead.
Well, how did...
He drowned in his bathtub after the lady left.
What lady?
A lady friend of Tommy slipped him some kind of Mickey Finn. Wait a minute. Mitch is asking about your friend Abby.
사실 에이버리는 욕조에서 익사한 것처럼 위장된 채 킬러들에게 살해당한 것이었고 미치는 에이버리마저 살해당하자 복잡한 심정으로 돌아가는데 킬러가 그를 발견합니다.
Excuse me.
미치는 눈앞에 있는 자가 다리에 총상을 입은 자라고 직감하고 그의 다리를 발로 차고 도망치는데 그때 빌이 미치를 발견하고
See that first door? I'm going around the front.
어처구니 없게도 가방을 든 인물을 미치로 착각한 빌. 그때 미치가 빌을 공격하고 이후 미치는 모르토 조직을 찾아갑니다.
Mr. Mitchell, McDear.
I think Groth is right.
Mitch McDear. We've been overbilling our clients. In some cases, massive overbilling. I feel I have to report this criminal behavior, but I can't use your invoices without your written authorization. Well, most of our clients have already agreed. Well, pretty much all, except for you.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
You want us to let you turn our bills
What we charged you.
over to the government.
Yes, sir.
불법적인 과잉 청구를 밝혀내며 모르토 조직에 자신이 그들의 편임을 강조하는 미치.
What was this stealing of the files?
They're in exactly the same place they were. So I prepared copies of everything. I know everything you know. I'm your lawyer, gentlemen. I can't talk to the government about you even when I'm no longer your. I am bound by the attorney-client privilege. In any case, I need your written authorization, like every other client is given.
You have this authorization with you?
I do.
Mitch has verified that the money's there, $750,000.
I love your crooked little mouth.
Well, it's not my best feature.
You let the Moraltos off the hook?
They're my clients.
You give me a bunch of pencil pushers who padded their bills?
You think if they don't pull guns, they aren't the bad guys?
What,
the
the
mafia? Get their lawyers. $10,000 and 5 years in prison. That's 10 and 5 for each act. You've got every partner in the firm on overbilling. 1,250 years in prison and $2.5 million in fines.
You got our money, $750,000.
Don't keep a nickel of your money. It was always for somebody else. Could have gone public with it.
Why didn't you?
It's against the law.
Okay.
How in the hell did you ever come up with mail fraud?
It was on the bar exam. They made me study like hell for it.
그때 애비가 들어오고 그녀는 어색한 분위기 속에서 조심스레 말을 꺼냈는데
Where are you going?
To look for you.
I think you should know that Avery was pretty decent.
Listen, Abby.
And it could have happened to you. All of it. You were on your way.
Did I lose you? Did I?
I've loved you all my life, even before we met. How could you lose me?
거대한 위협 속에서도 소신을 지켜낸 미치. 그는 아내와 함께 보스턴으로 돌아가 작은 법률 회사를 열기로 결심합니다. 레이와 태미 또한 새 출발을 택하며 그렇게 각자의 미래를 향해 나아갑니다.